Hello all, today we are going to start 4.7 quadratic formula. You guys will be able to solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula and determine the number of solutions using the discriminant. That second part is what we are going to focus on today. So the standard form of a quadratic equation, we'll kind of go through that a little more in the next video, but it is x equals negative b plus or minus radical b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now the part that we are going to focus on today is actually that b squared minus 4ac. That is called our discriminant. And it actually tells us a lot. So if our b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, that just means positive, we have two real solutions. Could also say we have two zeros. That just means where we have two x-intercepts, it crosses the graph in two spots. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we have one real solution, or one x-intercept, or one zero. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0 or negative, there are no real solutions or no real roots. Just a bunch of different ways to say it. This means we would have imaginary solutions. It doesn't cross the graph ever at the x-axis. So to find the discriminant for each quadratic equation, and then we are going to tell how many solutions the equation will have. So basically I need to decide what my a, my b, and my c values are. So a is 1, b is negative 8, and c is 3. And then I plug them into my discriminant b squared minus 4ac. So I need to take negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times c. I end up getting 64 minus 12. Now 64 minus 12 is 52. That is my discriminant number. And then because it is a positive discriminant, we know we have two real solutions. We'll do similar things for the next two. I know a is negative 2. B is 4. C is negative 4. Plug it into my equation, b squared minus 4ac. I like to write these out so I don't get confused. In my class earlier, I accidentally wrote a in for b and messed it up. So I do my best to just make sure I don't get my variables confused. So b squared is 16 minus, or plus, I guess we could say, plus negative 4 times negative 2 times negative 4. Well, I know that that is negative 32. So if I subtract these, I end up getting negative 16 as my discriminant, which means because my discriminant is less than 0, there are no real solutions. And one more of this type. Gotta label my A, my B, and my C. So then I have b squared minus 4ac plug in my information. So I end up getting 44 minus negative 4 times 9 is actually 44. So 144. So 144 minus 144 is actually 0, which means there is one real solution to this problem. Means it would cross the x-axis one time, this one would cross no times, and this one would cross twice. Not necessarily what they actually look like, but that is why there is two, none, and one real solution. And that's it for today. Have a great day.